You're making a six-figure salary, which is an amazing achievement. It's the dream for many people. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you turn that income into actual wealth? A six-figure salary doesn't automatically mean you're going to retire rich. In fact, plenty of people making good money still struggle financially or retire without enough. In this video, we'll break down exactly how you can retire wealthy, even if you're earning six figures. It's not just about making more, it's about how you use and grow that money. So, if you're serious about creating a financial future where you can retire comfortably without constantly worrying about money, stick around. This is your roadmap to turning a solid income into lasting wealth. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more actionable tips on how to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. Step 1. Shift your mindset. Income alone won't make you rich. Here's the truth that might shock you. Earning six figures isn't a guarantee you'll retire wealthy. Earning a high salary is great, but it's only one part of the equation. If you're spending almost everything you earn, you're just living an expensive lifestyle, not building wealth. The real magic happens when you learn how to manage, invest, and grow that money over time. Many people making $100,000 or more live paycheck to paycheck. They upgrade their homes, cars, and vacations, but they forget to prioritize long-term savings and investments. The key here is understanding that just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. You need to think of your income as a tool, not a license to spend more. Start by making a commitment to live below your means. Yes, you're making good money, but that doesn't mean you need to spend it all. Focus on increasing the gap between what you earn and what you spend, and that's where wealth building begins. Step 2. Pay yourself first. If you want to retire rich, the first rule is simple. Pay yourself first. What does that mean? It means automatically setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before you spend a single dollar. Treat your future self as your most important bill. Let's say you're making $100,000 a year. Instead of waiting to see what's left at the end of the month, set up automatic transfers so that 15–20% of your salary goes directly into investments or retirement accounts. This is how you create a habit of wealth building without even thinking about it. Whether that money is going into a 401k, Roth IRA, or a brokerage account, the key is to make saving automatic and consistent. You can still enjoy your money today, but by paying yourself first, you ensure that future you is taken care of, too. Step 3. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts. Now that you're paying yourself first, you need to make sure you're doing it in the smartest way possible. One of the easiest ways to build wealth is by taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. This includes things like your 401k, IRA, and health savings accounts. If your employer offers a 401k match, that's free money. Contribute enough to get the full match. Don't leave that cash on the table. It's like getting an instant return on your investment. For example, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6%, that's a guaranteed 50% return on that money, which is unheard of in the investment world. Also, take advantage of a Roth IRA if you're eligible. A Roth IRA allows you to invest after tax dollars, and the money grows tax-free. When you retire, you won't pay taxes on the withdrawals, which can save you a fortune down the road. HSAs are another underused tool. They're often viewed as just a way to pay for medical expenses, but they also double as an investment account with incredible tax benefits. You contribute pre-tax dollars, they grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. In retirement, you can even use your health savings accounts like a traditional retirement account and withdraw funds for non-medical expenses. You'll just pay regular income tax on those. Step 4. Invest for growth, not just security. If you want to retire rich, saving alone won't get you there. You need to invest. And I'm not just talking about keeping your money in a savings account or low-interest options that feel safe. You need your money to work for you. And that means focusing on investments that will grow over time, like stocks and real estate. The stock market can seem intimidating, but it's one of the best ways to build wealth. Historically, the stock market has returned about 7–10% per year, far outpacing inflation and interest rates on savings accounts. If you're nervous about picking individual stocks, that's okay. Index funds or ETFs are a great option for most people. They give you exposure to the entire stock market or large segments of it, without the risk of betting on a single company. Real estate is another powerful tool for wealth building. Whether it's buying rental properties or simply owning your own home, real estate tends to appreciate over time, and it can also provide passive income. The most important thing? Start early. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Compounding is like a snowball rolling down a hill. It gets bigger and bigger the longer it rolls. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they start earning more is letting their lifestyle expand with their salary. It's so tempting to upgrade your car, move into a bigger house, or start taking luxury vacations when you start earning 6 figures. But this is what's known as lifestyle inflation, and it's a trap that can keep you from building real wealth. The key to retiring rich isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. If you increase your spending every time you get a raise, you're just running on a financial treadmill. You're working harder, but you're not getting ahead. Step 6. Get comfortable with debt, but use it wisely. Not all debt is bad. In fact, when used wisely, debt can be a tool to help you build wealth. For example, if you take out a mortgage to buy a rental property, that property can generate income for you while it increases in value. That's good debt. It's helping you make more money over time. But then there's bad debt. High-interest credit card debt or personal loans used to fund your lifestyle can cripple your finances. If you're carrying high-interest debt, make it a priority to pay it off as quickly as possible. Think of it like this. Every dollar you're paying in interest is a dollar you're not investing or saving for retirement. If you use debt strategically, such as for investments like real estate, it can actually accelerate your path to wealth. But if you let it spiral out of control on non-essential purchases, it will slow you down. Step 7. Protect your wealth with insurance. It's not the most exciting topic, but protecting your wealth with insurance is essential if you want to retire rich. Accidents, illness, and unexpected events can derail even the best financial plans. This is why having adequate life, health, disability, and liability insurance is crucial. You've worked hard to build your wealth, so don't let an unforeseen event wipe it out. Make sure you have the right insurance coverage to protect yourself, your family, and your assets. Think of it as a safety net for your financial future. Step 8. Have a clear plan for retirement. You need to know how much money you'll need to retire and have a plan to get there. Retirement isn't just about having a big pile of money, it's about having enough to cover your expenses and live the life you want. Use a retirement calculator to estimate how much you'll need based on your current savings, expected expenses, and retirement age. Having a clear target helps you stay on track and make smarter decisions along the way. You'll know whether you're saving enough, if you need to invest more aggressively, or if you can afford to retire earlier. Step 9. Never stop learning and adjusting. Retiring rich isn't a set it and forget it process. You need to continuously learn, grow, and adjust your strategy as you go. This could mean staying updated on investment opportunities, reviewing your portfolio annually, or adjusting your contributions as your financial situation changes. You're in control of your financial future, and the more proactive you are, the better off you'll be. If you want to retire rich while earning a 6-figure salary, it's entirely possible if you're smart about how you manage your money. Remember, it's not just about how much you earn, it's about how much you save, invest, and grow. By living below your means, paying yourself first, investing wisely, and avoiding lifestyle inflation, you'll set yourself up for a financially secure and prosperous retirement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial independence. Your future self will thank you.